Salesforce Job Role outlines the overall responsibilities of an employee in a Salesforce implementation. Here are some of the Salesforce job roles. Let me explain one by one. Firstly, Salesforce Business Analyst. The job role of a Salesforce Business Analyst involves analyzing business processes, identifying areas for improvement, and guiding stakeholders to improve the efficiency of their business processes using the Salesforce system. Next, Salesforce Architect. The job role of a Salesforce Architect involves designing and overseeing the overall technical aspects of the Salesforce implementation to ensure alignment with the business objectives. Next, Salesforce Consultant. The job role of a Salesforce Consultant involves understanding the client's requirements and designing technical solutions to meet those requirements. Next, Salesforce Developer. The job role of a Salesforce Developer involves implementing the proposed solution to create new functionalities or modify existing functionalities by using point-and-click tools, writing code, or integrating the Salesforce system with other software. Next, Salesforce Quality Assurance Engineer. The job role of a Salesforce QA engineer involves functionally testing the newly developed or modified functionalities to ensure quality and reliability. Next, Salesforce DevOps Engineer. The job role of a Salesforce DevOps Engineer involves setting up and managing the Salesforce environments to support the development and deployment of the functionalities. Last but not least, Salesforce Administrator. The job role of a Salesforce admin involves configuring security, supporting users, managing data, and delivering actionable analytics. Each job role plays a crucial part in the implementation, bringing unique skills and expertise. Let me explain with an example. You know that I want to construct a house, but how will I construct it? I cannot construct it on my own. Apart from the environments, tools, machines, and services, I would require various professionals with specific skills and expertise in constructing houses. So, for a successful house construction, I will generally need the following groups of professionals. Firstly, analysts to visit my current residence and understand my family dynamics, lifestyle, needs, pain points, etc. to provide recommendations on how to enhance my living space. Next, architects to take the insights from the analysts and craft a detailed blueprint for constructing the house. Next, consultants to advise on materials, techniques, and best practices to translate the architectural design into actionable steps. Next, developers to construct the house according to the architect's plan and consultant's guidance. हिंदी में अगर बोलूं तो इन्हें तकनीकी मजदूर कहते हैं. Next, quality assurance engineers to inspect and ensure that the house construction meets the quality standards and every function works as intended. Next, DevOps engineers to set up the environments for construction and manage the transportation of components. Lastly, administrators to set up the security systems of the house, maintain the house to keep everything running smoothly, and address concerns of the users. Similarly, a business also requires various groups of skilled professionals for a successful Salesforce implementation. Alright, let me summarize everything. Salesforce job roles outline the overall responsibilities of employees involved in implementing the Salesforce system. A Salesforce business analyst has to analyze business processes, identify areas for improvement, and guide stakeholders to enhance efficiency using the Salesforce system. A Salesforce architect has to design and oversee technical aspects of the Salesforce implementation to align with the business objectives. A Salesforce consultant has to understand client requirements and design technical solutions to meet them. A Salesforce developer has to implement solutions by creating or modifying functionalities using point-and-click tools, code, or integrations. A Salesforce quality assurance engineer has to test new or modified functionalities to ensure quality and reliability. A Salesforce DevOps engineer has to set up and manage the Salesforce environments to support the development and deployment of the functionalities. A Salesforce administrator has to configure security, support users, manage data, and deliver actionable analytics.